What's wrong?
I heard something, but I don't know.
Huh? I didn't hear any... I heard it! What are those things?
Aw, hi there, cute little thingy-majigs.
Seriously?
Are those things gonna hurt us?
If so, we'd better get out of here.
Everybody run for it! They're gone!
We're saved, but...
I don't think we're safe just yet.
It seems there was more than only spores here.
Wait! We're cookies!
We're too cute to get crumbled!
Your cookies? You don't belong here. This area is dangerous.
We're looking for our friend.
We heard about some sort of refuge ahead. Someone there might know our friend.
If you're from around here, you must know First Cream
The temperature controller. This conversation must wait. I must fix it with haste.
By yourself?
Who else is here? Alas, my efforts have been fruitless. No matter how often it's fixed, it'll never be the same. Now, scurry away. Mind yourselves and try to keep your distance.
Wait! We'll help!
You?
We've managed to fix a big machine before.
This is the temperature controller. It has seen much, much better days. In order to return the controller to a fully functioning state, we must collect the required potions.
I see. So essentially, this thing requires potions to power itself.
You offered to help, and I accept.
I think we're getting the hang of it.
The air is getting cooler.
The airflow is being blocked.
I appreciate your assistance. It was without a doubt extremely invaluable. Apologies for the late introduction, but my name is Onyx Cream Cookie.
And I'm GingerBrave. This is GingerBrave, Strawberry Cookie, and Wizard Cookie.
You must do a lot of amazing stuff with that sword.
I would not say that my deeds are anywhere close to amazing. Before we proceed any further, you mentioned something about Madam First Cream Cookie?
So you do know First Cream Cookie?
This insolent whelp dares to speak of Madam First Cream Cookie as an equal? How dare he? Yes, Madam First Cream Cookie.
Huh. The folks we ran into a while back knew her too. She must be really famous around here.
Madam First Cream Cookie is... She's the wise and respected leader of Mount St. Creme. She is the guardian mother, our protector and savior.
What? A grandmother?
Dude, seriously.
I may have judged this cookie a bit too quickly. Perhaps he is just... simple. Her radiance has left for the frozen lands to uphold her call. I remained behind.
So, what now?
Wait, did you say she went to the Frozen Lands? Is that where the prison is?
How is it that an outsider knows of the prison? It matters not. Yes, it is where the sinister prison is located. The once pristine frozen lands have become a monolith of dread and misery.
Then that's where we might find Ginger Dozer.
Ginger... Dozer?
He's our friend, a small, tiny, and cute cookie.
A small cookie. Does that mean... Wait, the small cookie from the reports. Was their name Ginger Dozer? I will show you the way to the refuge. They will be able to tell you more.
Oh, you're not gonna come with us?
Oh, by the way, do you know if we can find a way to repair this compass?
It's really important. If we can fix it, it might tell us exactly where Ginger Dozer is.
Alas, I am afraid I cannot help you there. But Madam First Cream Cookie may be able to shed some light on it.
Open up! They're coming! Monsters!
Yeah! We can't just leave them out there!
Do not open that gate, or we'll all get infected!
My friend is out there! We've known each other for ages! No,
Huh?
I just can't...
What are you doing?
Come on, please!
Stand aside.
The monster's defeated! She's back! She's returned! First Cream Cookie is back!
I must open these gates. The gate is colder than a frozen heart. Closed shut and impervious. It will take immense power to force it open. I must collect light shards to unleash my power.
All hail First Cream Cookie, our savior!
There are truly no limits to her power.
Let it be known. This land is Mount Saint Creme.